Hey, hello everyone, I'm Akash. How are you? Is doctor and another man and me. We are together also on hair cutting shop, and right now the weather is most beautiful because it's raining today. Rain is very heavily. I can see you. Uh, you can see on my behind. Okay, I'm. I can see you on the front camera. So let's go. You can see the weather. The rain is very heavy today. So everyone is stay at your at his home because it's raining. So you can see the weather. So weather is too good. Wow, my God. So you can see the weather is too good, and I'm enjoying with my friend, this man, and also this man. Okay, so इस ब्लॉग को यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं, मिलते हैं बाद में.